Hello students, how are you? So today we start a new portion, that is the condition for solvability of a linear equations. First we know the term consistent and inconsistent. A system of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. At least one solution means minimum one solution. That means if a system of linear equation has unique solution या many solution, then it is called consistent, otherwise inconsistent. So what is inconsistent? A system of linear equation is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. A system of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 has unique solution if a1 upon a2, that is coefficient of x in equation 1 upon coefficient of x in equation 2 is not equal to the coefficient of y in equation 1 upon the coefficient of y in equation 2. So if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the given system of linear equation has unique solution. And it has infinite solution if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, and no solution if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So this is the condition for unique solution, and this is the condition for infinite solution, and last one is the condition for no solution. So now we using these three formula to solve the exercise 3D so that the given equation has unique solution and then find it. So we can write the given equation as x upon 3 plus y upon 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. LCM will be 6, so 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. And second equation can be written as x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. So a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 18, c2 is equal to minus 2. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 1 and b1 upon b2 is equal to 3 upon minus 2. Hence, so a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So that hence the given equation has unique solution from the condition for unique solution. We know that if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the given solution, the given system of equation has no solution. Now we solve the second part. Solve it. Solve it means we have to find the value of x and y. So now we solve equation 1 and equation 2 by cross multiplication. So x, y, 1. We start from b. So 3 minus 2. BC minus 18 minus 2 minus 18 minus 2. CA 2 1. AB 3 minus 2. Next we do cross multiplication. So 2 into x upon 2 into 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 into minus 18 36 is equal to y upon minus 18 into 1 minus 18 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 3 so x upon minus 6 minus 36 minus 42 is equal to y upon minus 18 minus minus plus 4 minus 14 is equal to 1 upon minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. So x upon minus 42 is equal to 1 upon minus 7 and y upon minus 14 is equal to 1 upon minus 7. So x is equal to minus 42 upon minus 7 is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 14 upon minus 7 is 2. So x equal to 6 and y equal to. Question number 6. Find the value of k for which given system of linear equation has unique solution. So from the given equation we have a1 is equal to 5, a2 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 7, b2 is equal to k, and c1 is equal to minus 5, c2 is equal to minus 1. So the given system of linear equation has unique solution. So for unique solution we have a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So next we put the value of a1 into b1 and b2. So 5 upon 2 is not equal to minus 7 upon k. So 5k is not equal to minus 30 by cross multiplication. So k is not equal to minus 14 upon 2. 14 upon 5. So for k not equal to minus 14 upon 5, the given system of linear equation has unique solution. Question number 10. So that the system of equations has an infinite solution. So to show the given system of linear equation has infinite solution, we have to show that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. If we show that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, then the given system of linear equation has infinite solution. So, from given equation, A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 6, B1 is equal to minus 3, B2 is equal to minus 3, and C1 is equal to 5, C1 is equal to minus 5, C2 is equal to minus 15. 2x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. 6x minus 9y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now, A1 upon A2 is equal to 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. And B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 3 upon 9, minus 9, 1 upon 3. And C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 5 upon minus 15, 1/3. So, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So, hence, we are given hence the given system of equations has infinite solution. For what value of k, the given system of equations has unique solution, no solution, and also we have to show that there is no value of k for which the given system of equation has infinite solution. So, in first part, we have to show that the given system of linear equation has in which condition. Now we saw first part. So, the given system of linear equation can be written as x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. And 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0. So, for unique solution, A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So, A1 means coefficient of x in equation 1. So, A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 5, B1 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to 10. C1 is equal to minus 3 and C2 is equal to 7. So, put the value of A1, A2 and B1, B2. So, 1 upon 5 is not equal to 2 upon k. By cross multiplication, k is not equal to 5 into 10. So, for k not equal to 0, the given system of linear equation has unique solution. And next one, for no solution, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. Next we put the value of A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. So 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon k is not equal to 3 upon 7. So from second and third, 3k is equal to 7 to 3k not equal to 14. So k not is equal to 14 upon 3. So for k not equal to 14 upon 3, the given system of linear equation has no solution. From first and second, k is equal to 5 into 10. So next we solve third part, that is there is no value of k for which the given system of equation has no infinite solution. So for infinite solution, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 8 is equal to minus 3 upon 7. Because 1 upon 5 never be equal to minus 3 upon 7. So there is no value of k for which the given system